Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial. If you haven't seen the first part where we built this head, the link will be up here. This tutorial we will do this body, the torso. Here it is on the instruction. Let's begin. We are looking for D25 and D26. And then match them together. As I said before, make sure you are fitting the pieces together securely. Now we are looking for D21. These two sides look like they're identical, but they're not. So one side has holes and the other one doesn't. So you gotta make sure that the piece with hole is on the top bit, and you are putting in the one that doesn't have holes. Here is D20, and we will match it on top of the set that we just made earlier. Now we are looking for B8, B15, and B9. Now we need to match B8 on B15. So you gotta make sure that that piece that is sticking out is away from you. Then do the same for B9. Now we need to push both pieces together in the middle. Then after that, we need to fit the set that we made from instruction number 1 on this set. Now we are moving on to instruction number 2. We're looking for B6, B1, and B7. So I started with fitting B6 to B1. Make sure this part with two pieces sticking out is facing you. And do the same with B7. Now we are looking for B3 and we will fit this with the set that we just made earlier. Match B3 on that side where there's two pieces sticking out. And do the same for B2 at the other side. I found that it was easier to match this piece when I pushed this part forward. Now we need to match the set that we made from instruction number 1 and instruction number 2. This is the front bit. Now we are moving on to instruction number 3. So we are looking for B12, which is the back. And just match them together. Now we are looking for B13, which is the chest, and we will match this in front. And here you go, guys, we made the torso. Comment down below if you like this tutorial and if it's easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again for the next one. Bye!